Hello guys, in this video I will show how to make colorful circles like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Set the document as HD resolution. First of all, create background, follow the size of artboard. Give it a solid black color. First, lock the layer. Go to Object, Lock, Selection. Give it a name as background, and create new layer name as circle. Now create a circle using Ellipse tool. Click in Artboard to open a ellipse panel. Set the width and height to 400 pixels. Change the stroke width to 0.5 point and set fill to none. For the stroke, we give it a gradient color. Open the gradient panel. Follow the steps. Now we are going to duplicate it to form a spherograph by using Transform. Go to the Effects menu, Distort and Transform, and click Transform. Put a check mark on the preview so we can see the changes. Leave the horizontal and vertical scale at 100%. For the horizontal move, change it to 17 pixels, and the vertical move to 9 pixels. Copies becomes 179. For the rotation angle, fill with 14 degrees. Now we just need to give it a colorful gradient for the gradient. Make a rectangle following the size of the artboard. For now, color it with red. Open the transparency panel. Change the blending mode from normal to color. Select this red rectangle, then activate the mesh tool. Make meshes like this, 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. You can make 3 or more if you want multiple colors. Apply the color using Mesh tool. Select the intersection points using Direct Selection tool and apply the color from swatches. Follow the steps.
Such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No,
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave like and don't forget to subscribe.